You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, electronic stability control, security system, compass, CD player, trip computer, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.